Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into ramp. 7 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Grade, which means a gradient or slope. Grade. For example, roads on steep grades. Number 2. Ascent, which means an upward slope or path that one may walk or climb. Ascent. For example, the ascent grew steeper. Number 3. Gradient, which means an inclined part of a road or railway. Gradient. For example, the road was on a steep gradient. Number 4. Slope, which means a difference in level or sideways position between the two ends or sides of a thing. Slope. For example, the roof should have a slope sufficient for proper drainage. Number 5. Incline, which means an inclined surface or plane. Incline. For example, a steep incline. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.